Hi everyone, my name is Yunting.
My name is Qingya.
We designed a pie game using Raspberry Pi, and it is showing here. The name of the game is Rolling Ball.
And so the sensor we use is from Adafruit, and it is an absolute orientation sensor to control the ball accordingly to the tilted angle of the gamepad.
In the single map mode, user could choose whether to play easy, medium, or hard map. For example, if we choose a single map, the system will randomly choose a map in the simple map sets. The system will firstly load the map. We could control the gamepad to change the direction of the ball based on map. The two red squares represent the start and end point. When the ball hits the end point, you win. A success will shown on the screen. The total time user used will show as well. This is the demo for the medium map. The time limit for easy and medium map is 60 seconds. This is the demo for the hard map. If the ball roll out of the map, we would reset its position to the start point. The time limit for hard map is changing to 90 seconds. User will fail the game if exceeding the time limit.
In the unlimited map mode, user could play unlimited maps. The system would firstly load the map. Initially, it would load an easy map. If the ball reaches the end point of this map, a new map would be shown on the screen immediately. When the ball reaches the end point of the second map, we would change the map difficulty to medium in the new map. If the user conquered two medium maps, the system will change the map difficulty to hard. In the unlimited map mode, if the ball rolls out of the map, game over and the number of conquered maps would be shown on the screen.